Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl meshewang, and today I'll be showing you how I achieved these butterfly locks on my natural hair. So guys, for this style I used 5 packs of water wave crochet hair and as well as the crochet needle. This is the brand here that I used. I know that there are different brands and persons have opposing views on the quality of each type of hair. However, this was the only hair that was in the store, and that's the hair that I bought. All right guys, so I used 5 packs of hair as well as the crochet needle for this style. The pack of hair, each pack of hair come with like 13 individual pieces of hair, and for each lock I used 1.5 pieces. I really wanted to use 2 pieces, however I noticed that 2 pieces was just too thick to fit through the needle, and so I resorted to using only 1.5 pieces. Alright, so guys, it's my first time ever doing this style, and so I went ahead and did the first one off camera, and so here I am doing the second lock. Guys, to achieve this style, what you need to do is, just as you're doing crochet, you push the hair through the needle and push that needle through your braid or your plait. After doing that, then you just pull the hair through the needle, through the plaits, so as to get both ends on either side of the plait. After doing that, then you hold on to the plait and one side piece of the hair, or the one side of the hair, and then you go ahead with the other side and wrap it around the braid. To get the butterfly effect, you can either put your finger under the braid that you are holding onto. You can either put your thumb on the braid and wrap the hair around your thumb and the braid. While doing that, then you pull your thumb down while you're wrapping, and that will give it the textured look, aka the butterfly look, the butterfly wings. You can either do that or wrap the hair loosely around the braid. Alright, so here I'm showing you in details all that I just said. You push the hair through the needle and push that through your braid. After doing that, guys, this needle was just giving me so much trouble. It's my first time using it. I don't know if I was doing it correctly or whatever, but you can let me know. I went ahead and pushed the needle through the hair and pulled the hair through the plait or the braid, so as to get both ends of the hair through the braid. Alright, and this is where I am now wrapping the hair around the braid with my finger on the braid and under the wraps that I'm pulling over the hair. Alright, so I have my thumb under or on the hair and wrapping around my thumb, each time pushing the hair out a bit with my thumb so as to get the textured look of the lock. So that's basically all that I do. I push put my finger underneath the lock and push up a bit. When I'm at the end of the hair, I don't cut it or anything, even though that is an option. You can either cut the end of the hair or you can wrap it up. I chose to wrap the hair up and wrap up. if I'm making sense here, I chose to like bend the end of the hair and then wrap upwards. I take it up, however not to the root of the hair. Yeah, so that's basically what I do. At the end of the hair, I ensure that it wasn't too loose, because that would have the ends looking not so neat, and so you have to make sure that you hold the end of the hair tightly when wrapping up again. Yeah, and that was basically all that I did for this style. That's what I did throughout the hair and throughout the rest of the video here. Alright, so in order to ensure that all the braids all the locks were on equal length, then I loosened the hair or remove the elastic from the hair because it was really hot, and so I had to put it in a kind of like a ponytail so as to get it off of my skin. It was way too hot, guys. So guys, basically what I'm saying is, in order to have all the hair on equal length, then you have to measure the hair when you're doing your locks. So yeah, that's basically all that I did for this style, and I continued all of this throughout the end of the hair. Alright, so this is how my hair is looking. My butterfly locks is looking 3 days after doing it. This is 3 days and it's still intact. I slicked my edges down, and yeah, these are my butterfly locks. I am loving it because of the ease it gives me. I can just put an elastic band over it, and that's a style there for me. I was trying to do a side part, yeah, but it's really flexible, so if I wanted to change up the style, I could always put this over here and give it a different look. Yeah, so I am definitely loving this style. Love it. It's my first time doing locks. I was always saying I'm too impatient to be sitting down and doing those locks on my hair, but when I saw the butterfly locks, I had to do it. I bought these ornaments to put on them, but these ones, they could not fit. I guess I bought the small ones and the locks were too big to fit these ones, so I just put these ones on them, and that was it. Let me know how you feel about my locks. For me, I am loving it. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also let me know if you like these kind of videos and suggestions of other videos that you'd like for me to do down in the comments. Don't forget to follow my Instagram page at meshewang vlogs to keep up with me and what I'm doing and all of that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to share. Bye.